What's up guys? Today we're breaking down a free open source tool called ChartDB that quietly makes its founder around $9,000 a month. And the wild part? It basically blew up overnight from a single post on one website, and I'll show you exactly how he did it. So what is it? ChartDB is that simple. You paste in one query and it instantly draws your entire database as a visual diagram. Every table, every relationship mapped out as a clean, editable diagram in just a few seconds. The core tool is completely free and open source, so you can just self-host it yourself. But there's paid cloud version on top, and that hosted version is where all the money actually comes from. He launched it about a year and a half ago, and today it pulls in around $9,000 every single month. But here's what most people don't know. His first idea was actually a totally different product, an AI tool for talking to your SQL database. The problem, to even use it, you had to hand over your database credentials and install software on your machine. And nobody trusts a brand new tool with their database. No trust, no adoption, and the idea just went nowhere. So he pivoted, and this is the key move. He stripped it all the way down to the one thing people actually wanted. Just visualize the schema. Two things made it click. First, it's visual, so you see the value instantly, there's nothing to explain. And second, he killed all the friction. No sign up, no install, no handing over your credentials, you just try it. Okay, so how did it actually blow up? With one single post on Hacker News. After about 3 weeks of building, he launched it as a show HM, basically showing the developer community what he made. And it hit the front page that very same day, which put it in front of thousands of developers overnight, all landing on his tool at the exact same time. And it snowballed from there. ChartDB now has well over 20,000 stars on GitHub. His big takeaway, the reason it actually worked, is that he showed up with a unique wedge, something developers had genuinely never seen before. He put it perfectly. One post on one platform can completely catapult a business. So if you're a developer who wants to build something profitable, here is his exact 5-step playbook. Step 1, build for yourself. If it's your own problem, you already understand the value and exactly how to solve it. You don't have to guess what's good, you can feel the value directly because you are the user. Step 2. Design for your real user, not some perfect imaginary one. Developers want zero friction. They want to test it locally with no sign up and no sales call. So that is exactly what he gave them. Step 3. Ship a wedge, not the whole app, just one sharp thing that people love right away. Get that one thing out the door and then iterate from real feedback in small steps. Step 4. Let usage decide what you charge for. Don't sit there and guess your pricing. He didn't monetize at all in the beginning. Then teams started asking for collaboration features, and that became the paid tier. And step 5. Market where your users already are. Don't try to invent brand new channels. For developers, that means GitHub, Hacker News, and the right subreddits. Distribution should feel native, not forced. Now let's quickly talk about the actual stack he used to build this thing. The app itself is React, Vite, and Node, plus a library called React Flow that powers all those draggable diagrams. But here's the part one love. He built it using Claude Code, basically all the time on the $200 a month plan. So this is a guy using AI as his main way to ship code, and it is making him real money. And the rest is just standard glue. Stripe for payments, Resend for email, Framer for the site, and Ahrefs for SEO. Now real quick, I pulled this whole playbook into a free guide, and if you want to actually build alongside other people doing this, come join my community. The link is right below. It is completely free to grab, so go download it and keep it as your cheat sheet. Because here's the real lesson, guys. You do not need some massive, world-changing idea. One tiny niche tool built for a specific person and given away for free can absolutely turn into a real business. So go find that one sharp problem, build the simplest version of it, and put it where your people already hang out. I'll see you in the next one.